Hi friends, in this video I am going to talk about an interesting topic in advertising, that is nativity in ads. This is general criticism that most of our national advertisements lack nativity. The predominant reason being the major advertising business revolves around Mumbai, and that's being the hub. The next chunk is from New Delhi. So most of the times the creatives are either in English or in Hindi. When it goes to the states for regional languages, it's dubbed, and most of the times this nativity doesn't match for many states actually. What is the reason for this? One thing is starting from the concept stage, creation, and in execution, at every level you need to understand the nativity. And most of the times the executives work in this ad agencies are more from urban background, and most of them, they don't have a clue about rural. So when you create something for the national level, but it reaches the various states, there may be a difference in culture, customs, costumes, names, even the type of voice you use, even the type of humor you try to attempt. This also varies. Many times, even the models. See, many popular advertisements use the Bollywood stars as model. Okay, they may be very popular on a national level, but if you go to a regional level, like a state like Tamil Nadu, where they are not much known, and sometimes the names, when they create in English or in Hindi, when they are dubbing it, it's only an audio. They can always change it to the local name. It's not going to cost anything. For example, if you notice, most of the national ads will have a name as Rahul. Rahul may be predominant in the north belt, but in a place like southern states, Rahul may be prevalent, but it's not that common name. It can be Ravi or Kumar or Rajendran, and for changing that name in the dubbing, it's not going to cost anything, but it's not considered or taken care. And if you notice the costumes also, there's a drastic difference between north and south. Even within South itself, between Tamil Nadu and Kerala, there will be a difference in the costumes. Similarly, for the culture and customs, the type of festivals they celebrate, it varies from state to state. So you cannot generalize this in a single advertisement. I mean, for that matter, even the voice used and the modulation and the slang also, it varies. And when you try to attempt humor also, that also differs from place to place. Finally, when they try to translate something from Hindi or English to the native language, unless somebody who is good at transcreating it rather than word by word translation, it becomes a problem. I'll quote you an interesting example. Once there was an advertisement for a hair oil. Actually, it's a national brand, hair oil, and they want to convey that this product contains herbals. So when they write herbal in the regional language, they've written it as such. They have not translated it. They have written it as such, and when they written it in the regional language, it read as hair fall. Imagine a product which is the totally opposite benefit you are going to offer for a coconut hair oil actually. So in the translation also, most of the times it has to be a transcreation rather than a translation. So, but over a period of time it has changed. Over a period of time, and of late, the national brands, what they have started doing is they started creating commercials individually for the regional markets. The reason being, the kind of budget they spend for the releases is very huge when considered the budget for production. So for the same country, they can afford to produce more than 10 commercials also, depending on the nativity. So originally, brands like Asian Paints started creating regional commercials. Then soaps like toilet soaps like Hammam, Synthol and all, they started creating regional ads. And over a period, brands like Coke also tried to use the regional stars, film stars, and started creating regional commercials. The reason being, lot of native arts from each states for the local brands started coming. And these ads are created by the local popular directors, and these ads compete with the national ads. So over a period, the national brands, national advertising also, they've realized, and they also started adapting it. But still they need to concentrate on the nativity. But there is one area which still lacks is the government advertisements. Whatever advertisements produced by the central government is predominantly either produced in Hindi or Hindi nativity or in English, which is translated to the regional languages, and it's not transcreated, it's translated. So but most of the times it conveys a wrong meaning or even a misleading communication. So the government has to change that. All the creatives have to be on a regional level with the correct amount of nativity, because most of the times it's predominantly on issues like COVID, which is risky. If you convey something wrong, it will be a problem. So even though there is a change, there is a trend changing in the industry, still a lot more has to happen in the case of nativity in ads.